Did you know that nearly 75% of adults have some form of gum disease? Yikes, right? That's a staggering number. But don't worry, because today we're diving into some super effective ways to prevent this and keep your smile bright. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this video, we'll cover the ultimate dental care guide for 2024. We're sharing essential tips and tricks that will help you achieve healthier teeth. So, if you're ready to level up your dental care game, stick around. Alright, let's get real for a second. Many people struggle with maintaining good dental hygiene. You might brush your teeth regularly, but there's so much more to it. Issues like cavities, gum disease, and bad breath can sneak up on you if you're not careful. It's easy to overlook some of the basics, especially with our busy lives. Maybe you've heard about the importance of flossing but just never got into the habit. Or perhaps you think mouthwash is enough and skip the dental checkups. Well, we're here to tackle these challenges together and set you on the right path to a healthier mouth. So, what are the best practices for daily oral care? Now, let's talk about some super simple and practical tips you can incorporate into your daily routine to keep your teeth looking fresh and white. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.